In 2026, Southeast Asia is no longer just a region of trade. It has become the ultimate showroom for global air power. From the crowded hangars of Singapore to the sprawling bases of Indonesia, a silent but high-stakes arms race is redrawing the map of the Indo-Pacific. This isn't just a purchase of hardware, it's a geopolitical statement. While the West looks to NATO for unity, ASEAN is splitting into a chaotic mosaic of American stealth, European elegance, and Russian brute force. The question is no longer who has the most planes, but who has the right tech to survive the coming decade. Singapore remains the undisputed king of quality. With the full integration of the F-35 Lightning II, the Republic of Singapore Air Force has secured a regional monopoly on fifth-generation stealth. This isn't just a fighter jet, it's a flying supercomputer designed for sensor fusion and networking. In a conflict, Singapore doesn't need 1,000 planes. They only need a few that can see everything before being seen. For the neighbors, the F-35 represents a digital wall that is nearly impossible to breach, forcing everyone else to play a desperate game of catch-up. Then there is Indonesia. By finalizing the massive acquisition of the French Dassault Rafale, Jakarta has chosen strategic flexibility over alignment. The Rafale is the ultimate omni-role predator, capable of long-range strikes, nuclear deterrence, and carrier operations. Combined with the domestic KF-21 Boramae, Indonesia is building an air force that doesn't rely on a single master. By diversifying its fleet, Jakarta is ensuring that no single embargo can ground its wings. It's a bold, expensive gamble for true sovereignty in a polarized world. While the giants chase high-end stealth, Malaysia and the Philippines are redefining efficiency with the Ki-Fa-50. Don't be fooled by its size. These light combat aircraft are the Guerrillas of the sky. Equipped with modern AESA radars and BVR missiles, the Fa-50 offers high availability and low operating costs. For nations balancing tight budgets against rising maritime tensions, quantity has a quality of its own. It's a pragmatic solution, building a credible deterrent without bankrupting the national treasury. The wildcards remain. Thailand continues to refine its network-centric doctrine with the Saab JAS-39 Gripen, the world's most cost-effective smart fighter. Meanwhile, eyes are on Vietnam. As Russian influence shifts, rumors of a Sukhoi Su-57 acquisition persist. A fifth-generation Russian heavy hitter in the hands of Hanoi would be a massive deterrent against any northern aggression. ASEAN is now a battlefield of doctrines: American networking versus European versatility versus Russian raw power. The 2026 air power race has no standard and no clear winner, only a region arming itself to the teeth. As the logistics of maintaining 5 different types of fighter jets become a nightmare, the real test will be the first moment of friction. In this high-speed execution chamber, a single mistake in procurement could mean the end of national sovereignty. Who really dominates the skies of Southeast Asia? The answer lies in the data, the sensors, and the will to fight. This is Strategic Forecast. Subscribe to track the evolution of global air power.